It's Christy
and Hannah,
and we are here with the statistics for last month's real estate in Austin, Texas. So Hannah, it's looking like the median home price has actually gone up from last month. It went up by $10,000.
That's good for sellers.
It's good for sellers. It is a little interesting based upon the real estate market right now. So let's just take a moment to talk about it. We have something called global uncertainty at the moment. We had a really busy January, February, even beginning of March, and then things kind of came to a little bit of a halt.
Yeah.
But we still have activity. Hannah has, how many showings do you have in the next couple of days?
Oh, I mean,
she has so many, she can't even count them. She has a lot.
At least 10.
A lot. So there's still a lot of activity happening, but know that things have shifted a little. This should be our absolute busiest time of the year. And because of global uncertainty and the interest rate shift, so the interest rate, I believe as of this morning, is 6.3%.
Yep.
It had gone up above 6.5. It was down below 6. So with that happening and global uncertainty, things have shifted a little bit. And prices have gone up by $10,000, which is really fascinating. The other thing that we wanted to talk about was months of inventory. So for months of inventory, we're at 5.4, which is actually less than last month. It was closer to 6 months.
Didn't it? So it's gone.
Down. Down.
Yeah.
Yep. So last month it was just over 6. It was like 6.2 months of inventory. So that means homes
are selling.
They are. They are selling. And that's what we've been experiencing. Yep. And then the average days on market, 67. Last month it was 82. So it has come down. The number of days.
Things are selling faster based on those numbers.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then the average close to list price is 93.8, which I think is actually the exact same number as last time. So what does that mean? If a house is listed $100,000, which are there any homes in Austin listed for $100,000?
Not in Austin.
No. So, but just for example, $100,000, and that on average, the price that would be accepted is about $93,800. So most homes are still overpriced in this market, and so they are going for less than what they are going on the market for originally. Anything else that we want to say about homes on the market in Austin for sale?
Nothing. Nope.
Let's talk about leases. So we
love leases.
We have our queen of leases right now. She's got a lot of leases going on. So what's interesting?
We have like five or six leases that are starting in May.
Lots. But what did we find out when we were looking at the numbers? The median lease price has actually gone down by almost $100 from last month, which is kind of unusual for this time of the year. So we were both surprised by that. There's only 2.3 months of inventory for leases. So,
which then makes me think that things are moving pretty quickly.
So tell us, like you had she had multiple offer situations with leases.
Yeah. So right now, we're seeing that the prices are going down on the actual listings, but then inventory wise, there's only, 2.3 months of inventory. But what I'm seeing is that I've had several transactions where there were 4, 5, 6 other applicants per a unit. So if it's priced right, it'll go quickly. It'll go quickly, yeah.
And do you know if anybody offered over?
Yes.
Yep, there you go. Okay.
Exactly. They're even offering over the asking price.
On leases.
Yeah.
And then average days on market, 66 days for leases, which is pretty long actually.
And it's gone up.
It's gone up from last time.
Yeah.
And then average close to rent is 96%. So that means that properties are generally renting about at what they are listed at, unless there's a multiple offer situation. So what I find interesting about leases is that people who have been waiting to buy, some of them are leasing, right? So that's why the rental market
leasing.
Or the continued leasing, exactly. So that's why there's a strong rental market in Austin right now. We are here for you, whether you're looking to buy, sell, lease, invest.
What else?
We're here for you. We're here. We look forward to giving you another update next month. Yeah. Thank y'all.
Bye.